Okay, technology is evolving very quickly, and sometimes it's hard to keep up with its pace. So over time, people often revisit the question of whether their approach to various everyday tasks is up to date. This also applies to banking. More and more people are learning about neobanks and fintech companies that offer banking features. There's an increased interest in whether or not these are becoming an alternative to traditional banking services. I'm Aman from Wise, and in this video, we'll find out if that's true in the second half of 2024 and whether neobanks and fintechs are right for you. Let's dive into it. First, let's define neobanks. Neobanks, also known as digital banks, are financial institutions that operate entirely online. Unlike traditional banks, neobanks don't have any physical branches. They offer a range of financial services through mobile apps and websites, making banking more accessible and convenient. There are also fintech companies whose range of services is similar to those of neobanks, but they position themselves differently and mostly focus on some certain features. These can be money transfers or investment opportunities, for example, but you can still find many convenient money management solutions among them. So, in 2024, fintechs and neobanks have become more popular than ever. But what exactly sets them apart from traditional banks? Let's break it down. Functionality and set of features. Arguably, this is one of the key distinctions. Traditional banks used to be known for offering more features, but now their approach simply differs from that of neobanks and fintech companies. Banks continue to be your primary solution when it comes to mortgage products, retirement planning, estate planning, personal consultation, treasury management, physical cash management, and similar services. Meanwhile, neobanks are expanding the horizons of what everyday banking can be. This doesn't mean that you can't get a loan with a neobank. Revolut, Starling, Monzo, N26, and others now offer such services. But Revolut, for example, currently limits personal loans to 35,000 euros, N26 up to 50,000 euros, and Monzo up to £25,000. Starling does not offer personal loans at all, but focuses instead on business loans with limits up to £250,000. In general, for broader loan opportunities, banks are your best bet. Neobanks and fintech services, on the other hand, allow you to enhance your everyday money management experience. For example, with Wise, which is not a neobank but a fintech company, you can manage over 40 currencies with one account, and approximately 10 of them having unique account details. This enables you to receive transfers in different currencies, and you can also make international money transfers at the mid-market exchange rate, which is often much more cost-effective than with most banks. Additionally, you can also get a debit card and access all of your currencies instantly. There are numerous benefits for travelers, freelancers, and businesses. You can watch a detailed video about all of this functionality via this link here. Managing money in different currencies is actually what some neobanks also provide. So, in general, various fintechs and services offer their own unique features. For example, we recently reviewed Revolut and mentioned their partnerships with different services you can benefit from, depending on your subscription plan. And the list of advantages one fintech or neobank has over another can go on endlessly. One will always excel in some areas over another, giving customers a wide range of choices. Also, there are some local companies offering unique services in specific regions. Monzo, for example, is for users with UK addresses only. So, if you're looking to enhance your daily banking experience, trying one of these companies is definitely worthwhile. Here's a list of the most popular neobanks and fintechs as of now, but explore more in your region too. The second distinction is convenience and flexibility in managing money. In this regard, traditional banks fall short compared to neobanks and some fintechs. It is very rare for banks to provide a convenient and up-to-date app with a user interface focused on the ease of using all available features. Banking apps are often limited and allow you to only perform the bare minimum of operations, while the more complex tasks require your personal presence. Most neobanks and fintech companies, in turn, pay special attention to the user interface of their apps, design, and how you interact with your money, making it perfect for daily operations. And the third difference, which I've mentioned before but want to clarify, is that neobanks conduct almost all their operations online. You can't visit an office and talk to an employee in the traditional way, as you can with a conventional bank. But neobanks offer their own alternative options. With some, you can deposit money not only online but also in cash through a network of partners and even post offices. Customer support can be available 24/7, with many offering live chats, support lines in different languages, and assistance via email. Conclusion: Summing up and addressing the question from the beginning of the video, no. Neobanks still aren't completely ready to take over. Together, we've clearly identified situations where neobanks may not be able to help. But if you're considering significantly expanding your options for everyday banking and beyond, going fully online and accessing various perks traditional banks don't usually have, then definitely consider exploring one of these options. Neobanks are way more creative when it comes to simplifying your financial management experience while making it more enriching. And remember, there may be local neobanks in your region apart from the global ones. Additionally, there's Wise, a fintech company with its renowned Wise card, a long list of currency balances, and extensive financial management capabilities for both personal and business clients. You can sign up using this link right here. Share your experience with neobanks and fintechs in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video. Until next time.